Something really powerful also KvCORE offers is the ability to generate scripts for you. A lot of people love scripts, especially when they're doing cold calls. It gives you, you know, a sense of direction, to make sure you're leading the conversation to the right destination and not get lost in thought or in the sauce. Okay. So if you do need a script and you can't find one, or you just need one quick, efficiently, and built specifically for the scenario you find yourself in, you are able to click on where it says new call. Okay, so this is where you can create that script. So once you click on new call, this is now going to launch a phone call to the person. Okay, so don't be afraid to click on new call. Again, this is where I clicked on new call. It's the first one at the top left. So if I click on new call, I'll zoom in here. All right, hopefully I hope you guys can see this. Let me move myself right here. So notice at the bottom right here, there's a message that says, need help with a call script by using the power of artificial intelligence, blah, blah, blah. You can streamline, creating compelling call scripts. So we would click on use smart assistant once more. I like the consistent, um, naming of these buttons. So that way, when you see use smart assistant, you know it's going to be an AI feature to make your life easier. So you could click on where it says that use smart assistant. And then we get back to this familiar screen where you are able to type in your prompt and then generate, that script for you. So we have a few suggestions here. You can craft a follow-up script. You can craft a check-in script. If in case, instead of sending a check-in email, you can maybe do a check-in call and know what to say, or even a welcome script. Maybe they provided their info to you, you added them to your KvCORE, and you want to send a welcome script. Okay, this one, I forgot what it is, but it's a crazy acronym for something. So let's go ahead and click on craft a check-in script. Okay, so by clicking on that, it'll write it in here. We can give it more details, erase this, write our own, what we're looking for, but I'll click on this one and then we'll click on generate. And then just like that, it'll get to work in just seconds. It's already creating a check-in script for me. So check this out. So we have, exactly line by line what we're going to say during this call. I could pick up my phone, dial Amy's number, and I could say, "Hi, Amy. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to touch base and see how everything was going. I'm here to assist you every step of the way, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, da da da." And then, here's a quick check-in to see how things are progressing. You can ask these questions. Have your property preferences changed since we last spoke? You can do search updates. Have you come across any properties that caught your eye? Financing, scheduling, are there changes to availability for property showings? Additional resources. There is so much. So you could keep the conversation going perpetually just by generating scripts and having all of these talking points. So this has helped me a few times. I'm generally off the cuff type of person. I just pick up the phone and call and go where the conversation goes with when I talk to leads. But this has come in handy a lot of times when I wanted to ask probing questions to qualify or disqualify someone who might or might not be ready to buy. Um, so yeah, this is one script, is one example. Let's type in our own. So let's say I wanted to give a call to everyone that visited my open house. So if you get the opportunity to host the open house, typically you have a check-in or sign-in sheet. You collect people's information on, they put their emails and phone numbers. So at the end of the day, when the open house is done, you can, obviously decide to give them a call to thank them and ask extra questions. So I'll do um, open house follow-up script. Do write me an open house follow-up script. Okay, just like that. And I'll click generate. And notice at the bottom here, there it goes. The subject is thank you for visiting our open house. And right here we have our first line, hi, whatever the person's first name is. Thank you for attending our open house. And then it'll even plug in the listing address based on, if this is your listing, it will know. KvCORE is smart enough to, using your DRE, it can pull what listings you have and then see where you've done an open house. So it'll plug in the address for you, or you could just say it, obviously. It was a pleasure meeting you, showing you the property, da da da. And then it has all of those talking points that you can also bring up during the conversation. Okay, so this is another example on how you can use AI to help you nurture your leads.